अब आप मुझे ये बताइए, अब आप ही बता सकते हैं कि मणिपुर में इतनी प्रॉब्लम चल रही थी, उसके बाद यहाँ पर आना, अपना काम चलाते रहना, ये कैसा रहा अनुभव आप लोगों का?
So, frankly, I would say we come directly through air travel because road travel to a problem hai because of that conflict. But I won't tell any comment on that particular issues. Yeah, we.
मैं सिर्फ आपसे आपके काम के बारे में जो समस्याएँ आती होंगी, प्रॉब्लम्स आती होंगी, उसकी वजह से भी प्रॉब्लम्स आई होंगी, तो
Right,
बस
right.
उनके बारे में जानना चाह रही
Okay,
हूँ।
okay. So the first problem facing right now is the market linkage. The market are even though they produce lot of handloom products, handicraft. The problem is the market because the market is very small in my state. So it is better that their product are promoted through national level, global level, so that their product can be sold through different platform and can reach to maximum places. And the second problem would be the packaging branding thing. Even if the products are having a huge quality product or something, the quality is depend I mean customer depend on their quality, right? So we need to put more. Yeah, we need to put more focus on packaging and branding. So this is the second challenging part. Third one will be the the unavailability of the raw material. Sometimes they have lack of raw materials when they wanted to produce more. That is the problem currently facing.
तो ये प्रॉब्लम्स आप लोगों को आ रही हैं। सरकार की तरफ से क्या आप लोगों को इसमें सपोर्ट मिल रहा है?
From the side of the government, they haven't given source of fund for their livelihood, for their income generating activities, in the form of CIF, which means Community Investment Fund. Initially, they will start to get their fund in the form of CIF with the amount of only 30,000, but gradually it keep on increasing as per their livelihood size of the you know uh, business or their production.
कम्युनिकेशन प्रॉब्लम क्या आप लोगों के बिज़नेस में प्रॉब्लम है अभी आज इस 5 से 22 तारीख के बीच में?
Yeah, there are some communication gap, although due to which the sales also affected. So, but then I am trying to help at the most.
एंड यू आर ट्राइंग वेरी बेस्ट।
Yes, thank you so much.
थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू।